how to turn on in-app comment notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on in-app comment notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines, and after you click on it just click settings and privacy and then scroll down until you find push notifications, and here you will find this one in-app notifications. Click on it, and then here you will find second one comments. Just click on it one click, and as you see comments have been turned on. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.